This is going to be my last Halloween of the season. The decor, home decor stuff, the inside stuff, I got right before Halloween, so everything was sort of like picked over. But there was still some good stuff. And then all of like the outdoor kind of crafty stuff I got on clearance like the day after, because it's always like 75% off the day after Halloween. But if you go to places like Joann and Michael, craft stores and stuff like that, they will have it on sale before then, because craft stores, they always put things out early and take things away early because it's a craft store, so they're giving you like a period of time to create things before the season. So if that makes sense. I know a lot of people have been saying like, why do they put it out in July? And it's like, only the craft stores put it out in July. Target waits. They wait until October, and they're terrible. Also, I'm terribly sorry if I sound super winded and rushed. I am. I have to go to work in like 20 minutes. Okay, so I'll start with the stuff that I got pre-Halloween. This is all from TJ Maxx, I think. Yeah, all of it is from TJ Maxx. So I went to the big HomeGoods actually. So TJ Maxx and HomeGoods, they're owned by the same company, and sometimes they're in one store as a TJ Maxx / HomeGoods, and sometimes they're in separate stores but will be sort of near each other sometimes. It's really weird. So there's one that's sort of like far away that is a HomeGoods and a TJ Maxx separately. So I wanted to go to that one before Halloween, even though I knew it was going to probably be picked over by then. It was just the only time I could really make the time to go out there. But they still had some good stuff. So the first thing I will show you is napkins. They're still in the package because I don't really want to take them out until I'm going to use them. I don't know if you can see. It's like little skulls with golden eyes. It reminds me of the catacombs in Paris. So you can never have too many, you know, cool party napkins. You always need those in case of emergency. Next thing that they had was this set of bat plates. They are kind of pewter or metal or painted to be pewter looking, but then they have like a glass, really like a glaze over top. I don't know if you can see that it's not actually metal. It's like very smooth. It looks like it would kind of be textured, but it's kind of like got a clear glaze over it. There. So, and it was a set of 4. So there we go. And I think that they were only like $4.99 and it was like 50% off or something. It was a pretty good deal. And then sadly the last thing that I got is this Ouija board cheese plate. It's really cute. And I like that it has like little walls here to keep things from sort of sliding around. I feel like it's a good feature in a cheese plate. This will go really well with those cheese knives that I got with like the little skulls on the end. This will be very cute. Then, oh, this is actually one thing that I got a long time ago. Probably maybe even before October, maybe in the middle of October. This is from World Market. Ugh. And it was only maybe $12.99, somewhere around the 10 mark. And it's a doormat, and we've been using it, so it's kind of dirty. Sorry. Tried to get all the dirt off, but it's super cute. I mean, it's just, you know, understated kind of fence with impaled skulls. So, as understated as impalement can be, I think. Then from Michael's, I got skeletal hand mold. This is, I guess, for ice. You can use it for different things if you wanted to make like chocolate bone finger things. Finger bones? I don't know. This is the stuff that I got post Halloween. So the day after Halloween, went to Michael's, Joann, Spirit, not Spirit Halloween, Halloween City, I don't know, one of those pop-up things. These are just little paper bats. You can see that. They are really not, I think they come with sticky stuff. Maybe they don't. They probably don't. It was really cheap. And they just have like little red eyes, which I thought would be super cute if you just like put them all over the porch and stuff. And have them sort of like, have their wings kind of like away from the house. So it looks like they're actually flying. From Michael's, I think this is where we got, yeah. These are the carvable Funkins, I think that they're called. Do they call them that? No, they just call them craft pumpkins. This one is like originally 20 bucks and this is originally $10, which is really freaking expensive, I feel, for these pumpkins. But when they were on sale, this one was like this was $3 and this was $6. So I highly suggest that you don't buy any next year until they go on sale, because $20 for this freaking pumpkin is a lot of money, and I think that's stupid. We got, I think, 4 of these big black ones. We got, I think, 7 of these ones, but in orange. And then we got 2, maybe 2 or 3 of these little ones in orange, and then 2 of them in black, I think. Just went kind of crazy because they're just going to put them everywhere and carve them throughout the year and make really nice jack-o'-lanterns that we can just have forever. I really love buying actual pumpkins, but it kind of gets expensive and they die. And then, you know, you just, there's lots of slime on your porch and stuff. It's not that I'm not going to buy pumpkins next year. I will. But this will just be nice because they can be illuminated all over the house and stay that way for 2 months, and it'll be really nice. Got these skulls. So I wanted some skulls that were plastic, and I would like them to be a little bit bigger than this, but you know, you take what you can get. And I wanted them to be hollow so that I can maybe carve the bottom out, like carve a hole in the bottom. I want to sort of make a chandelier out of these. So hopefully that'll work out. Maybe, I don't know. I might have to cut their eyes out. Then they also had these, like the little fairy lights, which you can stick inside of pumpkins or lanterns or decorate Halloween trees or whatever with. And it's really good because you don't have to have an outlet. It's just a little battery pack that comes with it, and you can just switch it on, switch it off. And you don't have to worry about getting extension cords and blah, 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 blah. So these were pretty cheap too. I think they were $3 a piece. And I got 4 of them, I think, 4. And then these, we got a lot of. We got 6 of these string lights, and they're 18.5 feet each, and they're purple. So we just got them basically to go around the whole house. Oh, okay. And this is from Michael's. Here's my giant Michael's bag. Got 2 sleeves of these sort of glass ball ornaments that are just orange and black stripes. Kind of, you know, vintage Halloween looking. Reminds me of like the 30s, 40s, 50s, you know, old ornaments. And then got a sleeve of these small jack-o'-lantern heads. And then these. So this is like shiny, frosty, shiny, frosted, shiny. But they all have little jack-o'-lantern heads on them. And I think that, I don't know, I was gonna make some sort of wreath or a garland or hang them on the Halloween tree or the Christmas tree. Who knows? They were cheap, and I was just like, gotta get it. Because next year they're gonna try to charge me $20 for it. That's pretty much it. There is one last thing. This is, I don't know if you guys remember this from your childhood, but these were certainly everywhere when I was growing up. My mom got this for me at a secondhand shop because she knows I love these guys. They're really cute. And they bounce around and like make noise and all that kind of stuff when you walk by them. And I totally failed because on Halloween night I forgot to put it out. I forgot to put it out. I feel like such a failure. But that's the last thing. That's the last for my Halloween haul. I did make I think I told you guys that I was gonna make that scarecrow from Sleepy Hollow, and I did make one. I made 2 bodies and 1 head that looks exactly like the scarecrow head from the movie. But if you guys want to see that, I think I did post it on my Instagram, so you can go and check that out. I'll put the link down below. If you want to see how I did that and you want like a DIY video about it, let me know down in the comments. I don't know if like, it's kind of like after Halloween now. I don't really know if anybody wants to see it, but if you do want to see it, let me know, because I do have another jack-o'-lantern head that I need to carve for that, so I can film that if you want me to, but I won't do it if nobody's interested, so please let me know down below. All right, that's it, guys. Until next Halloween. I mean, you know, every day is Halloween, but no more Halloween hauls until next Halloween. I hope you guys are well, and I will see you all in my next video.